Yeah? That's an axis measurement. The facial plane. Sometimes it's a line you draw from the nasion down to the most forward point of the mandible, pogonion. And that's the line a lot of people used to use in traditional orthodontics to see whether they would extract teeth or not. Because if the lower incisors were ahead of that line, but we tend not to use that line now because with systems like Damon, we can do non-extraction without worrying about dumping incisors. So SNA was the older measurement of position of maxilla. SNB was the position of mandible. What is SNB? Sella, nasion, B point. SNA, sella, nasion, A point. The difference between SNA and SNB is called ANB. And ANB is one way of determining whether they're class 1, 2, or 3. So I might have a maxilla and mandible that's BP. Do you understand? But by you giving me the A and B angle, I'll say it's BP class 2. All right? We'll apply these. I'm just reviewing them, but you're actually going to do them in your self-tracing today. In this measurement, what we have is an angle which could define torque. So when I ask you what is the torque of an upper incisor, some people might say 115 to Frankfurt horizontal. Other people might use a different measurement to cranial. I always like using cranial base because of the accuracy of Frankfurt horizontal. But again, torque can be, the measurement of torque can be worked out from a tracing. So you need to know interincisal angle for the division. You need to know maxilla mandible for the class, skeletal class. You need to know your lower anterior face height for long, short, neutral face, or y-axis, or Jefferson. So these are all the things that we're kind of reviewing, okay?